Another resource that we have in order to learn how to identify defects is the Defect Flashcards. So advance your knowledge using the Inspection Defect Flashcards. They're free and online. Let's click the link now and get to the Internachi free online deck of flashcards. There they are, inspection defects. Welcome to the Internachi Virtual Inspection Defect Flashcards. This online tool allows you to observe common defects, practice identifying and describing them, and learn how to properly write the observation in your report. Now, to get started, you just pick a category. Let's say I'm weak in plumbing. So you click plumbing, and you get to defects. These are pictures that home inspectors have uploaded and described what they are. So let's take a look at this. So look at that. Okay, I'm looking. I see the things, I see everything, all right. So what's your call? What problem does this condition indicate? Leakage from a fitting failure, backdrafting, leakage from connection to tank, TPR leakage. So if you don't know, you can go to the next card or show details and explanation. So it's backdrafting, and there's a huge explanation about what the defect is, and you can actually copy paste this and put it into your inspection software. About backdrafting, if you find a defect like this, you can use this as a narrative, which is a set of sentences, a description that helps you describe what a backdrafting defect is. Oh, this is fantastic. So let's go to another flashcard. How about the next card? Okay, what caused this? That stain, there's something there, well, what does your car? Well, what's your call? What does the warping of the plastic things and moisture stains on the top of the water heater indicate? What is that? Is it backdrafting? Careless installation, excessive product, careless soldering. This is a really cool thing. It's backdrafting again, especially when these plastic escutcheons are melted and it's a natural draft, fuel burning hot water tank. If those are melted, that means excessive heat came out of the flue and melted those things. So that's backdrafting. So here's another, what's your call on this one? Or here's one here, what's your call on that one? And that's just the plumbing. And we have other categories. So learn how to identify defects and also how to describe what you're observing at that defect.